Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to sell an online course. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. To sell your online course, there are actually a lot of options to choose from. So there are several options available such as Udemy, Teachable, Thinkify, or even self-hosting through your website. But for this video, we're going to be using YouTube to sell your online course. YouTube is a superior platform for monetizing your online course content due to its massive reach and engagement potential. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube offers an unparalleled audience to showcase your expertise and attract potential course buyers. Its video centric nature enables you to deliver engaging lessons visually, enhancing learning outcomes. By strategically integrating free teaser content with calls to action, you can seamlessly funnel viewers into your paid course, capitalizing on your existing subscriber base. YouTube's built in monetization options like ads and super chat offer additional revenue streams. Moreover, YouTube's SEO capabilities can help your course videos rank higher in search results, driving organic traffic to your content. The platform's social interaction features allow you to foster a community around your course, boosting engagement and word of mouth marketing. Overall, YouTube's vast viewership, interactive features, and monetization tools make it an optimal choice for earning money from your online course content. So, the first thing that you'll need to do in here is to make sure that you have planned and created already your course video just as you would for any other YouTube content. Ensure that your videos are organized logically and provide valuable information to your viewers. Now, the next thing that you'll do is to set up your YouTube channel. So, if you don't have one, you'll just need to create, click onto this button, and click on your channel. So, onto this part, you'll need to head on to the Customize channel. Then you'll be redirected onto the channel customization. You'll just need to click onto basic info. And from here, the first thing that you could do is to update your name. So make sure to choose a channel name that represents you and your content. Right after, you can also update your handle. So you could choose unique handles by adding letters and numbers. And lastly, you could add in a description so that you can tell viewers about your channel. So this description will appear in the about section of your channel. And as you can see, you can also add a language, and you can see also in here the standard web address of your channel. So you can add in some links as well and your contact info such as your email. So once the changes are done, just click on publish. Then right after, let's head back to your channel. So for the next step or step 3 is you'll need to organize a playlist. Creating a playlist is essential for a streamlined and engaging learning experience when hosting an online course on YouTube. Playlists help you structure your course content into manageable sections, making it easy for students to navigate and progress through the material. So, this organization enhances user friendliness, encouraging higher engagement and completion rates. By presenting your course content in a cohesive playlist, you showcase professionalism and dedication to your students' learning journey. Playlists also enable cross promotion of both free teaser videos and paid course content, maximizing your marketing efforts. Additionally, YouTube's algorithm often suggests playlists to viewers, potentially expanding your course reach. Overall, this optimizes the viewer experience, facilitate marketing, and contribute to community building within your course. So you'll need to head back to the channel customization area and you'll need to click onto this one. So this is the content page. Then once you're here, you'd be able to see videos, live playlists, and podcasts. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to click onto playlist. So once you're in there, so you'd be able to see in there the new playlist. You'll just need to add in a title for your playlist. So this is a record option. So let's put in title in here for the meantime. So let's add in title of your online course. Then right after, you'll need to add in a description so you can explain what this playlist is all about. Then right after, you'd be able to adjust also the visibility onto that playlist. So if you want to have this one unlisted, private, or public. So for this one, we can have this one on unlisted and then click on create. Now, right after all of those steps, you'd be able to see already your playlist onto your channel. So you can see also the descriptions in there that we've added. So you can see the visibility and when was it last updated. So you can get the shareable link onto this. So you can just click onto this one again so that you'd be able to update the playlist details. So when you click onto this button in here, the one that is above the edit button, so this one, the view in YouTube. So you'd be able to see a quick overview onto the playlist that you have created. So the next thing that we'll try to do in here is to add in a video onto this playlist. So we'll just need to click onto this video button and then add videos. We'll have the option to upload new video or choose existing videos that are already onto your account. So you can just drag and drop the videos that you want to upload in there, or you can just select files. So next up, let's go to your contents dashboard. So this step is to monitor and improve. The content dashboard serves as a control center for managing and optimizing your online course on YouTube. It offers a comprehensive overview of your course materials, allowing you to organize, track, and analyze various aspects of your channel. Within the content dashboard, you can efficiently arrange your course videos into playlists, ensuring a structured learning experience for your students. This centralized hub empowers you to monitor video performance, track viewer engagement, and gauge the effectiveness of your promotional strategies. By providing valuable insights into viewer behavior, watch time, and audience demographics, the content dashboard equips you to make informed decisions about content adjustments and promotional efforts. So you could also check onto your channel's analytics because regular monitoring is one of the paramount importance to continually enhance your online course quality and impact. By consistently analyzing viewer feedback, comments, and performance metric from the content dashboard, you can identify areas for improvement. This ongoing evaluation enables you to refine your content, address students' needs and concerns, and optimize your teaching approach. This also aids up in spotting trends, understanding viewer preference, and adapting your marketing strategies to effectively reach and engage a wider audience. So maintain a proactive stance through regular assessments and adjustments so that you can ensure your online course remains relevant, valuable, and impactful over time, fostering positive learning experiences for your students. The last step, just click on to earn. So you'd be able to see and hear many ways to earn in YouTube. So as part of the content optimization process, activating the earning feature in YouTube, such as the ads and membership, can significantly contribute to your monetization strategy. By linking your channel to Google AdSense and enabling monetization through the YouTube Partner Program, you can generate revenue from ads displayed on your videos. Additionally, setting up channel memberships allows you to offer exclusive perks and contents to your subscribers for a monthly fee. So, this creates an additional revenue stream while fostering a sense of community among your audience. So, you'll just need to click on to learn more since there are certain eligibility requirements that you need to meet to activate these features. And that's all you need to know on selling your online course here on YouTube. Thank you very much for joining me in this enriching learning journey. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And until then, keep exploring, keep growing, and keep achieving your goals. See you in the next lesson.